Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June in the year 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.17. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 134.48% since we first identified quantum computing as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.8% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower portion of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $21.37 would signify a more pronounced rate of increase. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 82.57% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 4.95% to 97.17%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 71.15%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from negative 30.61% to positive 178.89% over the next year. In current figures, this would place the future price between $13.73 and $55.19. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, "Is Quantum Computing Incorporated stock still a buy?" after falling 6.74% on Tuesday. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price fell by 6.74% on the last day, Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, from $21.22 to $19.79. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.70% from a day low at $19.18 to a day high of $21.04. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 59.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 18 million shares, and in total, 47 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $933.73 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.15, and the lowest price was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 27.11%, or $7.36, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Inc. has recently made headlines with the successful shipment of its first commercial entangled photon source, marking a significant milestone in quantum communication research. This advancement not only showcases the company's innovative capabilities, but also positions it as a key player in the rapidly evolving quantum technology sector. Recently, QUBT stock has experienced remarkable growth, surging by 80% in the last month and over 3,000% in the past year. This exponential rise reflects heightened investor interest in quantum technologies, particularly following NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's remarks at a recent developer conference, which indicated that quantum computing is reaching an inflection point. Such endorsements from industry leaders can significantly impact investor sentiment and drive further interest in related stocks. On June 16th, QUBT shares jumped by 24% within a single trading session, contributing to a broader rally in the quantum computing sector. The positive momentum appears to be fueled by favorable market conditions, with QUBT benefiting alongside other stocks focused on quantum technology. In the short term, the stock's impressive performance may attract momentum traders and institutional investors looking for growth opportunities. Long-term prospects remain equally promising. As quantum communication and other applications develop, QBT's innovative solutions could gain traction across various industries, further solidifying its market position and potentially leading to sustained stock price appreciation. Investors should remain attentive as the company navigates this dynamic landscape in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QUBT a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The stock of Quantum Computing Incorporated is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there is expected support at $17.66 and $11.75. A decline below either of these levels would generate sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have been noted, which may influence the near short-term trajectory. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, June 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 6.74%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 166 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a sell signal from 35 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $18.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.86 between its high and low, translating to an approximate 9.7% change. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 17.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies may experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $21.22. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $18.97. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Baimler Christopher, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 23.508. In total, insiders acquired 59,270,819 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.67, reflecting a decrease of 5.64%. This stock exhibits extremely high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we anticipate that quantum computing will open higher by approximately 21.3 cents and start trading at $20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.